Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video on Compound, which I actually didn't think I would cover it again after the bearish momentum we had since last Sunday. Because what happened then is that we had a major bearish breakout through our main support level at $70. Personally, I think, and it could still be, but it's a bit more contested now, but that was the start of a more bearish market structure, whereas before that we were very, very bullish, of course. But yeah, that brought us all the way down to this level at $60, the next major psychological support level, which was also supported by the 200 EMA. And from there, we were actually able to get some sort of a nice move. So that's why I'm covering it again today. We are at around $70. I would say a little bit below that, but the main area which we are battling with right now is $70. So what we'll do is I'll give you a full analysis on the possible scenarios from here. I'll give you my thoughts. I'll tell you what I think is most likely, but altogether it's like Compound is quite unpredictable. Like this entire move, the start of this move and arguably some other impulse waves in this entire market structure are a little bit shady, manipulated perhaps. So yeah, it's difficult to trade Compound right now, and therefore it's also difficult to analyze. But I'll give you my best shot. All right. So that's what we'll do. Before we dive into that, though, if you want to receive daily trading setups and also great education, access to a great community, then check out the links down in the description or in the pinned comment, and there you will find instructions on how to join. Alternatively, you could also go to cilinix.com, but the link to that is also down in the description. But now onto Compound. So volume, amazing, up 25%, 190 million. Compare that to the volume we had earlier this month. It's not the highest, but it's near the upper ranges. So the big question right now is that, all right, we could have actually predicted that we would get some significant support from $60, all right, because of how strong it is psychologically, but also technically. It's also just a normal key level, by the way. But now what we did in the last couple of hours is we went all the way up to the 382 fib. So we're actually not even bullish yet in terms of market structure. And what we'll see over the course of today, which right now you can actually see that Bitcoin is a bit bullish and the market is reacting to that. So Compound is also reacting to that. But what we will see is whether that bullish momentum can push us above this level or not. I would say if we can break above $70 right now, sure, there's resistance at $75, but I think that's like a significant enough market structure break to assume that we'll actually make new highs, like at around $88, $89 perhaps, which is a bit of a risky thing to say, because that's, I mean, obviously that's a huge move up, but like breaking that level right now is so significant. Like it's such a strong level, the 382 fib, $70. It's so significant that I don't think that $75 or that $80 level, I mean, $80 will probably provide resistance, but I don't think it's strong enough to hold Compound back. So it's quite significant, because on the other hand, if we cannot break above $70, which I actually think is the more likely scenario, because I do still think that we started some sort of a new market structure here. So if we cannot break above that in the next 24 hours, it's more likely we'll drop down to $64 and then back to $60, where the momentum is now out of that area, and that we will actually drop down further towards $55. I think that's more likely, but Compound has surprised me before in the past, so we'll just have to wait for confirmation. I think that's the best thing to do from here. And like I said, like the upside potential right now is amazing. Downside potential is also significant. So I'll keep you updated on Compound, but for now, this is my take. So thank you for watching. Take care and bye.